Hey guys, I'm back here with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to make slime. If you don't know how to make slime, but I mean, still, my mom knows how to make slime. So how would someone not know how to make slime? It's easy. Well, it's fluffy slime. Same thing as slime, but all you gotta do is add shaving cream. So, this is a fluffy slime I just made. It is a light blue color with red glitters here. Okay, you saw the red glitters, but I'm gonna put it back now. Just hear this noise though. And then we can't see it, but still. One of my favorite white glue slimes I've ever made. So you want to take your white glue. This white glue is heavy. I don't care if you guys don't like it, but at the end I'm going to be doing ASMR. And I'm going to be putting glitter on it, so where's my purple food dye? I'll just use pink. I hate pink. Well, actually, I'll use it, at least that. But I hate the color pink. Yeah, I don't hate it. Like I said, I'll still use it. I mean, so I dislike the color pink. There. Dislike. If any of you guys love pink, I'm not saying don't like pink. I'm just giving you guys my opinion of pink. Put that in the comment section below if you heard what my dog just did. It is a mystery to be told. Guys, if I get to 20 subscribers, I will be doing a subscriber special. It might be boring, but a 1 hour long live stream. 1 hour long. Really long. Or actually, I'll do a whole day long. Or actually, no. If you guys get me to 20 subscribers, the only reason I'm doing a session for that is one, it's an even number. Two, it took me 1.5 years just to get 19 subscribers. So if you guys can reach me up to 20, I will be doing a video of my whole day and what I do during my day. Not a school video. I might be doing it on the weekend, so just let it know. Guys, and if you know who Hannah is, there's live streams called Hannah's Here, and she's cray. You should watch those. Those are videos with Hannah in it. And so make sure to watch those. And we might be having a sleepover this weekend if I can get in contact with her. Because I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if her parents will say yes or anything, but maybe we can have a sleepover, Hannah, if you're watching this. I just haven't had a sleepover with you in a long time, and I'd like to see you. There's freaking blue food down on my nose. That's great. So, now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my red glitter. I'm just going to put some on top of there. Oh, wow, that was a lot. It made a heart. Probably for my fans. Actually, for my fans. That's what that heart is for. Because you're my special friends. Comment down below if you know where that's from. I'll be singing the song for you because you're my special friends. So now what I'm going to do is grab your shaving cream. This is my favorite part. That's how much shaving cream I add. Special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special. Also put down in the comment below if you watched my satisfying slime video. Oh god, I need to add more food color now. You want to make sure to spread it evenly throughout the slime. Maybe if you want to, get in there with your hands. That's what I'm doing. Because I don't care about life. Well, actually, I do care about life. I mean, I don't care about how I make my slimes. I have freaking shaving cream on me. This is how you know that your slime is done. It is the color of the slime. Well, mixing in the shaving cream, not your slime is done. So now what you want to do is you want to take your activator. P.S. I use Tide. No laundry detergent, but Tide. And maybe Gain, if it's a special kind of Gain, work. P.S. Tide Pods don't work for slime. My fluffy slimes always end up coming crappy, but in the end, it's worth it because all I have to do is dip it into the slime to make it better. Here, I'll show you what I mean by crappy. That's not the slime that I make! Universe, why you do this? Special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends. I think only 2 people know where it's from. I'm not gonna name names. Because I showed someone it and then someone else showed it to me. Maybe 3 people, I don't know. What are those? I love this slime now. Look how much stretchier it is. I really do not want this video to be longer than at least 12 minutes, so I'm going to try and hurry now. I don't know why, I just like to keep my videos a certain length. Now. Guys, I don't know why I'm telling you to do this, but make sure to watch the Friendship of Leah and Iris. It's hilarious. I'm not giving any spoilers. I tried to do something to get rid of my double chin and I don't even know why. Never mind. I didn't do that. Why would I do that? I love my double chin. I love you, double chin. Special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends, special friends. I don't know why, but I now have that song in my head. Great, this is not getting sticky. I don't know what that was. I question everything in life, always and forever I will. It jiggles. It's fluffy. Guys, you should definitely make this slime. It feels like a cloud. Find my made piece over here. Put down in the comment section below if you can tell which one I did first. So guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm not done activating my slime. yeah, but I just don't want it to be longer than 12 minutes. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope to see you soon. Bye!